In this video, I'm going to show you how to open paper trading in Moomoo. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their website, which is moomoo.com, and then you have to actually go ahead and start paper trading inside their website, on their website over here, not actually inside the app, either the phone one or the desktop one. So just go over and hover over features and click on paper trade. And then here you'll be able to read all about their paper trading, and you can go ahead and click on start paper trading. And the first time you do this, you're going to have to sign into your account. So either sign in with email, Google, or any other of the options they have. If you don't have an account, just create one. It's going to be very simple. And then after that, here is your paper trading platform inside their website, as you can see up here. And you can go ahead, select your market, select your account, and then you can see the overviews, the options, the charts down here. You can go ahead and enter in symbols and then either buy or sell, set different order types, prices, etc. And then you can just click on buy or sell over here. And that's pretty much how you can go ahead and paper trade in Moomoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.